Hello everyone and welcome back to the studio. It's been a little while since we've done a video, but that's because we've been very busy. You'll notice a couple of changes here on what we've been doing. First, we've managed to install some air conditioning, so if you hear some noise in the background, well, we tried to get rid of it. The other is this big huge box behind me here. Um, this box is our Class 10,000 clean room. We've been slowly building it up, getting ready to get into the final production of our Pocket Cube so we can get it into space. Now, when we assemble the Pocket Cube, we cannot do it in the open air. There's just too many particulates that could affect other satellites that are on this same mission. So what we've decided to do is build our own clean room so that we can do all the assembly in there. By doing this with the clean room system, we guarantee that there will be no extra particulates, nothing that could possibly contaminate the other satellites on the mission with us. And that's just being a good neighbor as far as satellites are concerned. So you're going to see a lot of more changes here in the studio. This is the big one. Next, you're going to start seeing some more electronic gadgets like what we need in order to finalize our satellite before it gets integrated. Anyway, it's been a whirlwind for us here, and we continue to move forward. We thank you for sticking with us and watching all that we do, and we hope you'll tune in next time. One more thing. I want to mention that we now have sponsors who are helping to back our project. The first is Income Store. Through their sponsorship, we're actually able to buy this clean room and get all the components we need finalized. The other sponsor we have is W.G. Malden, the company I used to work for, who have been fantastic in seeing to it that we can get this project completed. Anyway, just want to recognize them, and if you're interested in sponsoring what we're doing, just let us know by sending us an email or a note on Facebook. Anyway, thanks again, and we'll catch you next time.